Ever wonder if you're getting the best possible credit score? It can feel like a mysterious number, constantly impacting things like loan approvals and interest rates, yet shrouded in a bit of secrecy. Well, companies like Experian are here to help you understand and potentially improve your credit score. But one feature they offer has some scratching their heads: connecting your bank account. Is it a magic bullet to boost your score or a privacy landmine you should avoid? Let's dive in. Breaking down Experian and credit scores. First, a quick credit score refresher. This 3-digit number is a snapshot of your creditworthiness, a fancy way of saying how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Lenders use it to decide if they'll give you a loan, and if so, what interest rate you'll pay. Higher scores mean better deals, lower scores can make borrowing difficult or expensive. Experian is one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the U.S., along with Equifax and TransUnion. They collect information about your borrowing habits, like credit card payments and loans, and use it to calculate your credit score. So, why connect your bank account? Experian, along with other credit bureaus, are looking for ways to get a more complete picture of your financial health. Traditionally, they rely on reports from lenders. But what about things you pay for that might not show up on a credit report, like rent or utility bills? This is where connecting your bank account comes in. Experian's Boost program, for example, allows you to link your bank account and share your payment history for certain bills. Ideally, this can show responsible payment behavior and potentially give your credit score a bump. The potential perks: credit score gains. The big draw for connecting your bank account is the chance to raise your credit score. Studies by Experian show that users of Boost see an average increase of points, sometimes significant ones. This can be especially helpful if you're new to credit or have a limited credit history. Even a small score increase can make a difference. It could qualify you for a better loan or lower your interest rate, saving you money in the long run. Security concerns: is your bank account safe? Of course, with any financial product, security is a top concern. Experian uses what they say are industry-standard security measures to protect your bank information. They claim they don't store your actual login credentials, just a token that allows them to access your data securely. However, some people are still hesitant about sharing such sensitive information. After all, a data breach at Experian could expose your bank account details to hackers. Beyond security, what else to consider? Security isn't the only factor to weigh. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Not all bills count. Boost only considers certain types of bills, like utilities and phone payments. Rent and other expenses might not be included. Temporary boost: the score increase you see from Experian Boost might not be reflected in the reports that lenders actually use. So, while your Experian score might go up, it might not translate to a better deal on a loan. Alternatives to Boost: there are other ways to build credit. Consider getting a secured credit card, becoming an authorized user on someone else's account, or taking out a small loan and paying it back diligently. The verdict: to connect or not to connect. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to connect your bank account to Experian is a personal one. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Connect if you're new to credit and have a limited credit history. You pay your bills on time consistently and want to see if Boost can give your score a lift. You're comfortable sharing your bank information with Experian. Don't connect if you're very concerned about data security. You don't think the potential score increase is worth the risk. You have other ways to build credit that you're comfortable with. Remember, you can always connect your account later. If you're unsure, start by monitoring your credit score for free through Experian or other credit monitoring services. See how it looks and then decide if Boost might be helpful. The bottom line: connecting your bank account to Experian can be a way to potentially boost your credit score, but it's not without its drawbacks. Weigh the potential benefits against the security risks and consider alternative ways to build credit before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.